welcome to Canon Trading Video. Today I'm going to share with you a few tips on how you can use option chains, Greeks, and a few other tools for option traders using our E-Futures International, also known as OEC Trader. So what you see here is my specific layout for the software, and there's a few different ways that you can open the option chain. The first one is simply by clicking on trading, then going into option chain, ask for a new window, and I'm going to go ahead and type in the underlying contract. In this case, I'm going to go ahead and type in the ESU, the mini S&P for September, and right away I'll get the different expirations. And nowadays we have quite a bit of options for the mini S&P, weeklies, monthly, Monday option, Wednesday option, etc. Let's take a look here at the regular September options, the quarterly options that expire September 20th, in this case 2019. So a few different things that you can do. You can decide how many strikes you want to see up and down. You can select if you want to see calls and puts or just calls. And here is something new that I'm sharing today is the Greeks. By checking the Greeks value, you will get more than a few different data columns that show you the data, the delta, the gamma, the vega, the theta, and other theoretical information that option traders like to use. And in this case, if you look at the option change for the mini S&P, if you're looking to buy puts, for example, and we're looking at a 2900 put, you can see the bid, the ask, the theoretical in between, the interest rate that's used to calculate, the delta, which is for me one of the more important factors that I look at. More advanced option traders will also look at the gamma, the vega, and the theta. And this information is right here on a free E-Futures platform. Once you want to trade a certain option, you can right-click on that option, and that will open for you a trade column. Another way that you can do that is you can click on the market that you want to look at, right-click, and then find option chain. Same way. Let's see if we can show you one more thing. The other thing that I did want to share is actually how to use option spreads. And you can trade option spreads. Again, this is a free platform called E-Futures International, also known as OEC Trader. And if I click on order tickets and simply go into the standard order ticket, let's assume that I'm, as an option trader, want to sell a vertical call spread. Okay, vertical call spread in this case. And what I'll do is I'll go ahead and open what we call a UDS spread order entry, and I'll type in the option that I want based on the option change that I just saw. And then I'm gonna, let's say I'm gonna sell the 2950. Okay, and I want a protection, quote unquote, protect it with the 2980. Okay, I will put it in there. It will show me the bid and the ask for the individual legs, and then it will show me the bid and ask for the spread. Another nice tool is that if I want to sell the spread, let me go ahead and put a limit. And let's say I want to sell it at the ask or close to the ask. When I do transmit, before I transmit, it's going to tell me I'm going to get a credit for this spread. It shows me how much the credit is. If I'm buying the spread, same thing will come up. I will see that I'm actually buying the spread, and it's going to be a debit, and it tells me plus the 2950 call minus the 2980 call. As I mentioned, I'd rather sell the spread in this case. So when I change it, it will show me I'm going to be selling the 2950 call and buying the 2980 call. I'm not going to submit this one, but this is how you do it. And there's other spreads as well, meaning this was a call vertical. You can do the put verticals, the butterflies, reversals, ratio spreads, strangles, straddles, and more complex, which is a really nice tool to have for a free platform. Again, this is our E-Futures International platform, and if you'd like to have a 28 days free trial, visit us at canontrading.com. And especially if you're an option trader and you don't want to pay hundreds of dollars for a platform to trade options, I really like the features that the E-Futures offer for option traders with the Greeks, with the theoreticals, ability to place option spreads, and of course, as always, you're going to have a Canon Trading broker at your fingertips. So once again, I appreciate you guys listening to this video. Hope you benefited from it, and any questions, feel free to contact us at 800-454-9572. Thank you and good trading.